Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Today we're making an easy mango jam with no gelatin or pectin. The best part is, this jam only uses 3 ingredients. The main ingredient, mango, is one of the most flavorful tropical fruits. Fun fact, did you know that there are over 500 varieties of mangoes in the world? Which country do you think produces the most amount of mangoes? Comment down below your answer. Let's start by peeling these delicious mangoes and rough chop them. Add the rough chopped mangoes to a blender and puree them without adding any water. If you like your jam to be chunky, then you can chop them into bite-sized pieces. Heat a heavy bottom pan and add in mango puree, sugar, lemon juice, cook over medium-high heat and mix well with a wooden spatula. Once the mixture starts bubbling, reduce the heat to medium and stir continuously until the mixture becomes to leave the edges of the pan. Look, it's almost cooked. I think we need to cook it a little bit more. We've cooked this mixture for about 45 minutes. Once all the moisture has evaporated, the jam will become to leave the sides of the pan. Transfer the prepared jam to a sterilized airtight container and store in a cool and dry place. What do you think we can make with this? Well, stay connected with us to find out what we're gonna make with this delicious mango jam.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them.
If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!